Hey soapers, ready to dive into the world of soap making? It's very easy than you think. In cold process soap making, it takes gradual process to achieving your aim, but the end result pays off. Cold process soap is a beautiful handcraft soap. It takes patience and time because cold process soap stay longer before curing. You're welcome to Hydra Soap. If this is your first time on this channel, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And you can also leave a comment or share the video. Difference between hot process and cold process soap making is the application of heat. Cold process is pouring the lye solution into the oil and boom, it hits saponification. Let's establish our ingredients for this production. Oil. We are using bleached palm oil for this production. Oil 501 grams. Caustic soda 71 grams. Water 200 grams. Silicate 53 grams. Add the caustic soda into the water, then stir until the caustic soda dissolves properly in the water. Set aside until the caustic soda clears and cool down at room temperature. These are oil that we are going to be using for this production. It's time to pour the caustic soda into the oil, then stir. Then stir for the saponification process to take place. As a beginner, this is how to make cold processed soap at home. But when you are making hot processed soap, you apply heat. Stir properly till it gets to a thick trace. It's time to add our sodium silicate. Sodium silicate makes the soap to be hard and last longer. At this point, if you have any other ingredients that you want to add, you can start adding them at this point. Like your perfume, that's your fragrance, your color, if you want to put color, but I'm going to leave it that you're not adding any color for this production. So it's time to pour the soap into the mold and leave it for it to harden up for 12 hours or 24 hours. Mind you, in cold process soap making, after unmolding the soap within 24 hours, we leave it for 3 weeks or 1 month before we start using it. For the soap to cure properly. And when the soap cures properly, that's when it foams very well. So we're gonna allow it to harden up for 12 hours before molding it. So this after 24 hours, we're about to mold the soap and see how strong it is. You see the soap is very strong. So we leave the soap for 3 weeks or 1 month before using it, so that it can dry very well. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.